Hi, I'm going to talk to you about an effective strategy that can be used in the classroom called reciprocal learning. I love this strategy because students become in control of their own learning and take responsibility. The goal is to allow students to work in pairs and learn from each other. The benefits is that it's a self-directed strategy that promotes academic gains and social interactions. Here's how it works. The strategy should be used after students have been introduced to a topic and it's time for them to practice what they have been learning. Students are put in pairs. It is recommended that students work with their partner sitting next to them rather than working across from one another. The reason is sometimes students feel pressure when they sit across from someone while doing work. In the pairs, there's a student A and student B. Student A and student B has their own set of problems to work on. Each set of problems they work on are based on the same topic. The catch is student A has the answers to student B's problems and student B has the answers to student A's problems. Student A and student B take turns coaching each other through the problems. For example, student A will complete his or her problems first, while student B coaches student A. Then the students can switch roles. Using the answer keys, students can check their partner's answers. Partners do not just give each other the answers, but support one another to reach the correct answer on their own. Have the player fold the answer key at the bottom of his or her sheet so their partner doesn't see the answer to his or her set of problems. This activity not only shows the teacher what students know, but if students can explain how to solve a problem. A benefit is that it can be used in any subject. It is important to note that this strategy is good to use when there's only one answer per problem. This way, students can check each other's answers. This strategy gets students engaged and promotes collaboration while learning. The first ELO included in this strategy is cooperative learning. Reciprocal learning requires students to work in pairs in order to complete problems. Each student takes a role and has to collaborate with his or her partner through the process. Another ELO is acting. Reciprocal learning allows students to play roles, student A and student B. The third ELO used is speaking, which is critical in this strategy. Students must collaborate with their partners in order for the strategy to work. The student who acts as a coach must speak to the player and give valuable feedback. Overall, this is how reciprocal learning works. Remember, the best way to know if students have learned is if they're able to teach the topic to a classmate. As Henry Ford said, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success.